making paratas again for 8 days Ramadan fasting. This for suhoor. Then I will make hot also this chicken plow for me. Paratas I make also, and then now making tea, and I will make also chapatis. So I put already milk here, and this one I make hot only this pakoras, and I have 2 pieces of cauliflower fry. And today is February 26, and today is Thursday, and now time check is 4:10 a.m. Close fasting will be 5:19 inshallah. 5:19 a.m. Now close fasting. Ang ingay ni Langga. Yan, may siren na at saka may azan na din. Time check 5:10 a.m. close fasting, and then we'll open again 6:05 p.m. for iftari or open fasting. So this one I cooked yesterday, mixed vegetables, saute mixed vegetables, carrots, tubers of radish, organic cabbage. Then I have also extra plow, but no more chicken here, only rice. And then I keep this one for when I cook this masala for chicken plow, I keep also, and some gravy and liver and this potato. So this is too much for our dinner, alhamdulillah. And this one I have to cook. Then I will make now masala for this one. Chapatis, rotis or kubos is ready, and fruit chat, fresh fruits salad. May guavas, may bananas, may apples, sweet melon, at saka oranges, and then nilagyan ko din ng dates. And then gatas at evaporated milk na fresh buffalo milk, at saka sugar, yun lang. And then dates for open fasting for iftari. And then pakoras as usual. At ito na yung sherbet. Ayan, with malangga seeds or chia seeds. Ang ingay malangga. So ito yung aming pang 8 Ramadan fasting. Ingay nilangga. Ito na yung pulses or yellow beans curry, toppings with coriander leaves. Tawag nila dito ay chili. Hindi ko na na-videohan nung nagluluto ako. Kasi the same lang naman ang pagluluto. Mag-isa ka ng bawang, sibuyas, din kamatis, lagyan ng masalas, yung turmeric powder, chili powder, and then salt. Yan, ito. Pero masarap ito sa sa chapatis, pero sa akin rice. Kasi yung kahapon nagluto ako ng chicken plow, kaya hindi na ako magluluto ngayon ng ng white rice. Yan. Masarap ito. Dito ako nagluto sa sa chimney, sa pugod, para makalibre ng gasol. Ayan. Malambot na malambot kasi binoil ko ito sa pressure cooker.